I started journalizing in 2020, and so far I have manifested some of the really amazing things in my life. I have manifested my dream phone, iPhone 17, a good mic to provide you a good quality content, an excellent teaching career, and amazing English communication skills. And most importantly, I got out of a toxic relationship. I did able to turn my overthinking into creativity. Do you know you can also achieve your dream and goals just by doing 20 minutes of journalizing every day? What is journalizing and how it actually help us? Is it some magic? No, this is just like putting some logic on a piece of paper. So basically, journalizing is putting our intrusive thoughts on a piece of paper freely, completely unorganized. Writing our thoughts freely on this piece of paper does not only help us to declutter our negative thoughts, but also helps in putting a stop over the obstacles that is delaying our growth. We get a clear glimpse of who we are actually. And it actually helps us to accept our inner selves the way we are and what corrections we need to do to be a better person. If you are someone who does not know how to do journalizing, or even if you are journalizing for years but still you are confused, you don't have any clear idea of what you want to do in your future, then this video is for you. By the time this video ends, you are going to master the art of journalizing. You will have a step-by-step detailed method of how to do a perfect journalizing. Also, you will know the mistakes that you must have been doing in past, which maybe is not good for you, and you will have a clear idea of how to do a journalizing. Also, I will give you a mini routine of journalizing for your busy days.
Sit somewhere quiet, light a candle, grab some water to cool yourself down. Take a deep breath. This is your space, no judgment. It's time for breathing exercise. For that, you can see the 4-2-6 rule on the screen, which you can use to breathe. So pause the video and take your time with the breathing exercise. This exercise will calm your mind instantly, and that's how you end your first step.
Second step is warm up. Set a timer for 2 minutes and write whatever comes to your mind.
Write whatever you want to write here. It can be a thank you letter to God, it can be your complaints, or it can be any absurd thing that you want to write. Just keep your pen moving. Don't stop. Don't think. Don't edit. Just write. So pause this video for a while, set the timer, and keep your pen moving freely. Step 3 is brain dump. Divide this page into 4 columns: your worries, to-dos, dreams, and thoughts. This step is very important as it is time to organize your messy thoughts under these 4 important headings. Concentrate on one word and write whatever the first thing that comes into your mind and dump it in your respective box. Get it all out as it will clear the traffic in your mind. Look, that's how your organized thoughts look like. Fourth step is name your feelings. Here you have to fill a blank, which is right now I feel dash because dash. For example, right now I feel happy because today I helped poor person. By summing up our feeling in one line, we are making sure to accept clearly what we are feeling and how to fix it. Now for step 5, go to step 3, pick one of your dreams and ask yourself a question. I wanted to start a successful YouTube channel, so I asked myself, what can I do to start a successful YouTube channel? You can also ask the same question in your respective career. So pause the video for a while and write what you actually want to do to accomplish your dreams or your goals. Now, step 6 is all about playing with the ideas. Here, you have to get playful and just imagine. Don't judge. Start with what if. What if I started a podcast? What if I moved to a new city? What if I will be the richest girl in the world? It can be anything. It's your imagination. No boundaries, no judgments, just you and your imagination. Next step is shape your dream entry. Now pick the idea that excites you the most and ask yourself these three important questions. What's the dream? Why does it matter to me? How will I feel when it happens? Now you have to make sure that the answers to these questions are as descriptive as you can write. Whether it is one page answer, two-page answer, make it as deep as you can, as clear as you can. Now, step 8 is practical. It's about making one tiny step in next 24 hours. Now write any one tiny action that you will take in next 20 hours, even if it's just 5 minutes. For example, I wanted to create a new YouTube channel, so I will watch tutorial in next 24 hours to make one for me. And you can also do the same in your respective career or goal. Now it's time to close your journal with the last step, reflect and close. Now you have to end with a short reflection. So, for example, today I learned dash or I feel dash about my next step. For example, I feel excited about my next step, and say thank you, brain, or say I'm proud I showed up. Congratulations, guys, you all did it so well with me.
Now let's talk about what most people get wrong when they start journalizing. Most
First,
people wait for perfect timing. Big no. 2 messy minutes is far better than waiting for 1 hour that never comes. They judge their ideas. Seriously, your journal is your playground. It's not a courtroom. Nobody is going to judge you for whatever the mess, whatever you are writing. It's okay. It's fine. Just do it, write it in your own way. Most people expect instant magic. They think that if I write my wish right now, it will be fulfilled the next day. No. Buddy, you have to take the step literally practically on daily basis to make your all big and small dreams come true. Journalizing is basically like showing you a mirror about where you are going wrong and what you need to improve. All right? Most importantly, they edit while they write. Big no. First write and then edit. Actually, this channel has been specially made to tell you a little bit more about yourself and accept yourself the way you are. So, please support me by liking this video and writing some beautiful lines in your comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will really mean to me a lot. Thank you.